Are you seeing the enable to verify this iPhone has a genuine Apple battery warning on your iPhone? This message can appear if your iPhone's battery is replaced with a third-party or non-genuine battery, which could affect its performance. Fortunately, there are ways to handle this issue and remove the warning. Here's how you can address it. Solution 1. Charging your device 100% while turning battery optimization. Open Setting, scroll down, tap Battery Health and Charging. Turn off Optimized Battery Charging. Go back, turn on Battery Percentage. Now charge your device 100%. Once your device has 100% charge, restart your device and check if the message is gone or not. Solution 2. Update your device. Often updating your device can help you detect genuine battery on iPhone. Open Setting, scroll down, tap General, tap Update. If there is a new update, then update your device. Solution 3. Verify if your battery is genuine. The first step is to verify whether your battery is truly genuine. If it is not, you may need to consider replacing it with an authentic Apple battery. Open a browser, type 3U Tools. Make sure to install these apps. Now you need to connect your device to your computer. After connecting your device to your computer, tap Verification Report, tap Authorized to view. Look at test results. If this shows normal, then the battery has never been replaced. However, if this is not normal, this is not genuine, then change your battery from Apple Service Center. By following these steps, you should be able to remove the unable to verify this iPhone has a genuine Apple battery warning. Let me know if these steps helped or if you have further questions.